My name's Medina. I'm from Aberystwyth originally. I opened my business in 2015, kind of Middle Eastern inspired, cafe, lots of good coffee, good cake. Been at it for 10 years now, amazingly. I just wanted to bring something to Aberystwyth because I love this town, and it's been quite a journey, but yeah, we managed to buy our own building last year, which is where we're sat now, and it's lovely to own something, bricks and mortar, and be paying our own mortgage, trying to see what's next, I guess. I'd spent a lot of time thinking I didn't want to work in hospitality, that I wouldn't one day, and coming to that realization that actually it's the thing I love the most and I get a lot out of it. So then it was a case of, okay, where and when, and yeah, signed up for a great little sensible place in the centre of town. And then the style of sort of Middle Eastern and Othlenghi was all just really emerging at that time. I thought, oh, this is a concept I can deliver. There's not really much of it going on around here. And the visuals and the freshness and everything, the lots of cakes and meringues and stuff like that just really appealed. So that's where it all began. I always wanted to create a space for the community, a place where people felt comfortable to come. I think the biggest challenge was just getting over the initial fear of actually going for it. You know, there's lots of thinking, considering, planning, but actually going, yeah, I'm going to give my notice in on my job. I'm going to sign this lease, I'm going to go for it. And then also actually hiring other people to come along with you and committing to paying them, and they had their own families to support. And yeah, that felt like a massive responsibility. And if it wasn't for my friends and my family and the people that were listening to me bang on about it, going, yeah, you know, come on, you better get it out of your system and just do it, I think it would have been that much harder for sure to take the plunge. Creating a community space, you know, seeing people come, same time we have to be making those habits in them, getting the feedback, nurturing the team and employing other people as well. Through this business, it supports my family, it also supports lots of other families. So yeah, I'm really proud of that. In terms of scaling, I suppose what surprised me that it sounds stupid perhaps, but I felt like it should almost get easier a bit, and it didn't. It changes. It gets complicated, and I suppose it didn't get easier because I'm not very good at changing my ways. I love the nuts and bolts of my job. I just like being out doing this, doing that, you know, waitressing, being hands-on, serving on the counters. It's my favourite thing to do, chatting to the customers. But yeah, as you scale up, obviously, you've got to do a lot of other stuff. And yeah, so that for me has actually been the biggest challenge, yeah. I personally find cities quite daunting. I mean, I love going and I love eating in lots of different places, but I think, yeah, the level of the competition around you, and I imagine, yeah, rents are much higher and stuff like that. But I don't think I do have a disadvantage in West Wales at all. I think Aberystwyth and many places along the West Wales coast love good food, want good things, want to, you know, bring their families when they visit and go, look what we've got here. So no, I've never felt that we were on a back foot, you know, or I love this part of the world, so yeah. Difficult to try not to sound too negative, but I think our industry is in the most challenging period, in my 10 years anyway, this is the most challenging period we've ever been in. And that's even after a pandemic, you know, there was so much support for us then. But right now, yeah, we're just being squeezed to a degree that, yeah, making our lives really, really difficult to navigate. It was a nice realisation recently to realise that up and down the country it's the same everywhere, and it's not that we're doing something wrong. There are just some fundamental problems with the way the world's working, with the policies and the taxes that we're being forced to pay and stuff like that. All I can do is just keep fighting, I guess. You know, keep trying to improve, keep trying to push ourselves harder, just keep trying to survive, you know. Tend to turn to friends who are in business around me. My family are always have been very supportive. I've got a business partner who's also, yeah, always there to listen when I'm ranting on about the next plan. Obviously with social media and stuff, that connects you with a lot of people as well. There's a lot of posts at the moment about, yeah, people's struggles, and you feel connected to all these people out there as well because we're all doing the same thing. It's quite nice to reach out to some of those sometimes and say, oh gosh, yeah, I hear you, and yeah, I'm in the same boat, and don't give up, or, you know, yeah, you know, just to offer some moral support to each other, isn't it? We all can be in our bubbles. Our hours are quite long. We do what we do, and we tend to go home and see our families at the end of that. So actually to sit down or go to a network event or any kind of meeting can be quite a challenge, you know, isn't it, to make the time. I find it really hard to make it to any meetings or anything like that. I think all the support you can get is a good thing. So I think, yeah, a lot of the time it's just down to being too busy, just, yeah, fiddling along at 90 miles an hour and not making enough time. I think for me at the moment, I was so focused on the budget coming up and the UK hospitality campaign for reducing our VAT, fixing MICs, and trying to review business rates. And I know none of those are specifically female business related issues, but they're very much hospitality issues, and that's the industry I'm in, and there's an industry that a lot of women are in. Those are the three things that, yeah, you know, I think we should all be jumping on at the moment to try and make a difference, because, yeah, the policies of the last budget, yeah, have massively affected us, and, yeah, quite fearful for the future for everybody. So I hope that with collective campaigning that we can get someone to listen and take on board the fact that we need businesses like mine and others to keep employing people, to keep creating spaces and keep doing what we do. I hope someone listens.